Okay, I'm going to walk you through the counts for the Newsies audition slowly, okay? So you'll hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you'll step on 7, and you'll plie on 8 to go into a jump on 1, all right? Now, I'm going to kind of talk to you through the mirror. She has said that you can do whatever sort of jump you want to. So if you know, that's not going to work through the mirror. So if you know, like look up cheerleading jumps or just, you know, wee or whatever, it doesn't matter. She doesn't care what jump it is. As long as it's, you're going to jump up on 1 and land on 2, whatever that is, okay? So you'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, jump 1, land 2. Step on your right foot. 3 and 4 for the turn, okay? Then you're going to come down 5, 6, 7, all right? That's the next one is you're going to go down, you're going to jump up. This crisscrosses, and this crisscrosses. So I'm going to turn this way. So your arms will go this way and your legs will go this way, okay? So it's going to go like that, all right? And the count goes 5, 6, 7, step forward with your left, and 8 to prepare for a turn, okay? So here we go, taking it from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump 1, land 2, turn 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do it again. Ready, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump 1, land 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? Then you're going to do either a single or a double. If you're not a dancer, just do a single. It'd be better to do a good single than a crappy double. All right? So you'll turn. The single turn is on 1, 2. All right? So you want 7, 8, 1, 2. All right? On 3, you're going to squat down. 3 and 4 is going to be another jump. All right? But on this jump, you're going to put your fists together and you're going to jump so your knees come up and your toes point. There, okay? So it's a little cheery, okay? So you've just done the turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, let's take it from the top because the next part's a little crazy. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump 1, land 2, turn 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Practice that over and over, and then go to the second video, and I'll do the second part. So this next part, you just did the jump with your knees up, okay? And you landed, it was a 3 and 4. The next part, we're going to go slow so I can walk you through which foot, all right? You're going to step to the left on your left. So it'll go, let me make sure. So 5, 6, kicks forward, 7, all right? We'll just go to there. So you're going to step on your left. You're going to swing your right foot forward, okay? You're going to swing it forward. Then you're going to swing it back and hop back on your left foot, okay? Let's try it. So you'll go step, swing, swing, hop, and kind of let your foot drag you. All right, do it again. Here we go. Step, swing, swing, hop. All right, so from into that, you're going to turn, put your weight now on your right foot, and kick your left foot forward. And your left foot needs to be flexed for this one, all right? So as high as you can do it with a nice tall body, but flex is how that's going to work, Okay, so let's take that move again. That one's the one that'll mess with you. So you're gonna step left, kick right, kick back, drag, put your right foot down, turn, kick your left foot up. Okay, do it again. Here we go. You're gonna step left, kick right, kick back, drag, put your right foot down, kick your left foot forward. All right, and that left foot forward kick is gonna pull you into the next move. Okay, so we go 5, 6, 7, and 8 is how that works. Okay, you just went 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you kick on the and 8. Okay? Here we go, moving into the next one. I'm going to show you the move and then we'll tie it together. So you just kicked out like this, right? You're going to take that left foot and move it to walk in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Thankfully we go from a complicated to a simple. All right? So you just, let's go back to the jump that does this. All right? You go, hope you can see me. Here we go. So it's 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Now we'll do the next part. Okay? It's the last little bit. The next counts go and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right? So what you're going to do for the and 5, you just went 1, 2, 3, 4. The and 5 is and 5. All right, so you're going to jump up, throw your arms, you're going to lean a little bit to the left, and jump sort of to the right. So and 5, and 6. Okay, so let's walk the circle. So you were here on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. The next one, you're going to take a little hop on your right leg. And 7, and 8. So what that looks like from the front is you're going to, if you hop on your right, and you're going to kick, boom, kick, boom. All right, so you're sort of, it's like rowing. All right, only flick your arms, okay? So from the flexed foot out that turns you into the turn around yourself. All right, so we're at 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, that's that section. Next video, we'll put it all together. This is going to put everything together slowly, okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump 1, land 2, turn 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then after that, she says do a freestyle. I would plan potentially 2 8 counts of just something fun. It should be party, it should be exciting. You can watch the video to come up with something. So let's try it again. Here we go. Let's see if I can do it without my paper in my hand, just in case. Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Freestyle. All right, so if you'll look also in the Dropbox, I've got 2 audio files for you. One of them has me counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then nothing else after that. So you can do it without the counts. Or, I need water. Or it's got another one that has me counting all the way through. So that way you can get used to the and 5, and 6, that sort of a thing there, okay? Good luck. We will work on this in class. Hopefully this video helps.